Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the LiFePO4 battery. This battery is honestly a powerhouse in a compact size. It's 35 smaller and 69% lighter than most traditional light exceed batteries, yet it still delivers a strong 1218 volts energy capacity. This makes it perfect for my outdoor adventure, whether I'm using it with my trolling motor or a backup power for camping. One thing I love is this advanced protection system. This battery has a built-in BMS or battery management system that safeguard advanced overcharge, over dissension and over high temperature. Plus it's IP65 waterproof, so it can handle splashes and dust without any uses, making it super reliable for marine use or rugged environments. Now if you're looking to store energy for an extended period, this battery got you covered. It offers all 15,000 cycles if used daily with modern discharge, so it's going to last you long time. And if you need more power, you can link up to 60 of this to create a large off-grid system, which has awesome for any setup where you need dependable energy. The best part is lightweight and easy to handle, which makes installing in breeze. Overall, this battery is a solid choice if you're looking for reliable portable power. Highly recommended for anyone needs a durable and highly performing battery for outdoor or backup. Yes.